Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Concept Kart keyboard. First, make sure your keyboard has sufficient power, either fully charged or plugged in. Next, find the USB-C port on the keyboard, usually on the back or side. Then, using the included cable, connect one end to the keyboard and the other to your computer's USB port. This establishes a reliable wired connection for immediate use. For a wireless experience, activate Bluetooth on your Concept Kart keyboard. Look for a dedicated switch or a function key combination, often FN plus a number key, to put it into pairing mode. On your computer or tablet, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and initiate a scan for new devices. Once Concept Kart keyboard appears, select it and enter any pairing code shown on your screen to complete the connection. To unlock your Concept Kart keyboard's full potential, download its dedicated software. This application allows you to remap individual keys, create complex macros for gaming or productivity, and customize the vibrant RGB lighting with millions of color options. You can save up to 3 distinct profiles, switching between them effortlessly. Regularly check for firmware updates within the software to ensure peak performance and access new features. If you encounter connection problems, first try a different USB port or cable for wired connections. For Bluetooth, ensure both your keyboard and device are in pairing mode and within a range of about 10 meters. A simple restart of both your computer and the keyboard can often resolve minor glitches. If issues persist, refer to the Concept Kart user manual or visit their official support website for detailed troubleshooting guides and assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.